welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to have a supplemental video for your week number 4 lesson, which is module 4, and it is all about solving real life problems involving functions. So today we are going to use functions in solving our real life problems. Actually, we are using functions naman dugay na. No, we just didn't realize it, or we just don't realize it yet because we are not using a specific formula or a specific mathematical model. That is why, wala kabalo nga, function na day na siya. But actually, we can use functions in our everyday living, just like our examples that we are going to present, or I am going to present to you today. Okay, so karon by this time you should have 5 skills, no, na dapat ninyo na magamit or dapat ninyo na naa sa inyo para maka-solve taan yung mga problems, no? So the first one is you should know how to analyze a problem. So dapat kabalota mubasa o makasabot sa atong ginabasa. It's very important, no, to understand what we are reading and comprehend on what we are reading. So muna siya ang una, dapat makasabot sa situation, unsa ang gipangita, and the second one is unsa ang gihatag. Dapat makabuta sa given facts, no, or given. So kani siya dapat tama ang imong labeling sa imong given o tama imong pagsabot sa imong given para dili ka ma-mislead to another direction or to another formula ba karon. That is it. Third one is you should know how to make piecewise functions. So ang piecewise functions is naa sa ato ang lesson number 1. Just watch my previous videos in this channel and you can find my examples there of how you make piecewise functions. The second one is you should know how to evaluate function. Naapod siya sa akong previous videos or previous lessons. So, ang pag-evaluate, dapat kabala mo, inyuha lang i-substitute ang given value to all your variables, in this case, x. Next one, or the last one, is actually the previous topic, I think module 3, that is all about operations on functions. So you have to know how to add, divide, subtract, and multiply different functions as well as composition of functions. So these 5 skills are needed in order for us, or in order for you, to know how to solve these word problems. All right, so without further ado, let us proceed with our example number 1, because I am going to give you 3 examples. Okay, so first let us analyze your problem. Let us read all together and analyze our problem. You have that one in your module, the first example, jeepney or tricycle. So let us read. First is Miguel is a senior high school student who commutes from home to school, which is 15 kilometers apart. So from this situation, we can see that there is this person, this student, who is named Miguel. And si Miguel, ang iyahang ginabuhat everyday is nag-commute siya gikan sa iyang eskwelahan, gikan sa iyahang balay, padulong sa iyahang eskwelahan. So ang distance gikan sa balay ni Miguel padulong sa iyahang eskwelahan is 15 kilometers. Alright, so if you're going to draw that, so this is, for instance, this is Miguel's home, and this is Miguel's school, for example. Eskwelahan, or flag, no? And then, sample siya, magkakakot drawing. And the distance between Miguel's home and his school is 15 kilometers. Alright, so I am going to draw points, no, or lines para diha na siya gina-indicate ang 1 kilometer na distance. Okay, for instance, muna siya. And then each one of these points indicates your 1 kilometer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, oy, kulang, 14, 15. Abot na ka sa yang eskwelahan. Okay? So, muna na siya. Now, let's proceed to our second sentence. There are two modes of transportation. First one is through jeep and the other one is through tricycle. So, nasa siya ka options, no? Pwede siya mag-commute by or through via jeepney or pwede through tricycle. Okay? So, unsa mo niya pagpili, no? Asa siya musakay. So, natay given din nga fare charge or plite. Pila ba ang plite sa jeep? Kung mag-jeep siya, pila pod ang plite kung mag-tricycle siya. So, let's read, continue. In riding a jeepney, the fare charge is 9 pesos for the first 4 kilometers and 0.75 for each additional kilometer. So, ingon siya, kung mag-jeep daw siya, ang first 4 ka kilometro, mubayad si Miguel og 9 or 9 pesos. And then, kung madungagan siya, no, is kada dungag na kilometer is magbayad siya og 0.75. So, mag-add ka og 0.75. Now, let us apply that to our illustration. So, for example, is mag-jeep si Miguel. So, ingon siya that the first 4 kilometers, no, mupalit siya or mubayad siya og 9 pesos. No? He will pay 9 pesos for the first 4 kilometers. And then every additional kilometer, meaning from the 4th kilometer to the 5th, then 5th to 6th, and so on, like this one. Ako i-drawing sa inyo para klaro gid kaayo kasi pasabot ay nga problem. Okay? O, hantod sa 15, matag ko sa kilometro ana, mubayad siya or mag-add siya og 0.75 cents or pesos. No? So, mag-add siya og 75 centavos kada isa ka kilometro. Nga dungag, gikan sa imong 4 kilometers. Okay? Alright. So, yung ana yung dagway, no? Now, let's proceed to our next sentence. Meanwhile, in riding a tricycle, the fare would be 10 pesos for the first kilometer and 1 peso for each additional kilometer. So, kung masakay daw siya tricycle or pedicab, ang first na kilometro is mubayad na kadaan ng Gs or 10 pesos. And then, pag mag-add ka, nagpalayo, no, mag-add ka og piso kada kilometro nga additional. So, in this case, kung mag-tricycle siya, na siya, sa first kilometer pa lang niya, no, sa first kilometer niya, mubayad na siya og 10 pesos. And then, for the next kilometers nimo, no, mubayad siya or muad na ka og piso kada isa. Alright, so that is 1 peso, additional 1 peso for each. Alright. So, nakay dinhi, no? So, ang first kilometer nimo, 0 to 1, may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, na something wrong sa mong drawing. Nakalimot ko nga nagsugod dito sa point 0. Sige. Wait lang ha. Okay. So, natay point 0. Mugin siya ang origin, no, sa imong travel. Sorry about this. Kaya mali akong drawing. So, gikan sa imong 0, mo ni mong first kilometer, second kilometer, third kilometer, and then fourth kilometer. Mo na imong 9 pesos na yung gibayaran. Okay? Gikan sa imong point 0, which is ang iyang balay, sa iyang first kilometer dito sa baba, nibayad na siya daan og 10 pesos. And then sa iyang second kilometer, nagbayad na siya og 1 peso. So, higana ang dagway sa ato ang sitwasyon. Okay? Muna siya ang dagway sa ato sitwasyon. So, kung ato na siyang gamitan, ang next question man good is, how much would Miguel pay if if ever nga mosakay siya jeep, and then the second question, if mosakay siya og tricycle. So, ang pwede ito siya buhaton nga mano-mano, no? Ato siyang mano-manohon, tinamban style. Pwede siya, 9 pesos, plus 75, plus 75, plus 75, plus 75, plus 75, ana. Pwede ana siya, no? Okay, tinamban siya, pero it would take you too much time for you to input in your calculator. Same thing with tricycle. Pwede siya buhaton 10. Tapos plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 hangtod sa 15 nga kilometers. Pero again, very tedious siya. No? Lisod, di siya lisod. Dugay lang yun and time consuming. So, what we are going to do is we are going to use our knowledge on piecewise functions. Gamito nato ito at sa ato ang advantage. Alright? So, sa itong buhaton, himo ta og piecewise function. No? So, let's assume or let's denote our function as f of x where x is equal to the number of kilometers. So, maghimo tag function nga ang imong x is kung pila ka kilometers ang imong gi-travel. So, maghimo ta, ang next step nato is maghimo ta og piecewise function. So, f of x is equal to nga na. So, we are going to make now our piecewise functions. So, dili na magsugod og buhat sa kanang imong jeep. So, sa imong jeep, naa siya actually duha ka conditions, no? So, mubayad ka og 9 pesos if ang imuhang i-travel or ang number of kilometers nimo is greater than 0 but less than 4. Meaning, from 0 to 4, mubayad ka og 9 pesos. Now, ma'am, 15 kilometers man ang travel ni Miguel. So, ang atong buhaton, magbuhat og another function for that, no? Based on this given. So, atong buhaton is 9 pesos, tapos mag-add ka og 0.75 kada additional nga kilometer. So, x no, supposed to be. Pero kay nakuha naman siya daan o 4 ka kilometro. Muna man na siya imuhang 9 din ha. So, kuha na to na siya og 4 kilometers. Muna ang pasabot sa x minus 4 din ha. Alright? If this is x is greater than 4 kilometers. So, pag magsobra na daw siya, meaning ilampas siya sa 4 kilometers, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so forth, muna itong gamiton nga function. Right? How about this a tricycle? Duhag po itong pwede buhaton. 10 siya, 10 pesos ang imong ibayad. If isa lang if x is greater than 1 but greater than 0 but less than 1. Meaning, isa lang ka kilometro. From 0 to 1 kilometer, no, mubayad ka og G's. Now, since 15 kilometers man, ang atong kilang pangitaon na value, so itong button is 10 pesos plus 1 times x minus 1. Ma'am, ano ka ay x minus 1? Kaya remember, nagbayad naman ka og G's. Diba? Sa imong first kilometer. So, muna siya, kinahanglan nato na kuhaon ng additional. Muna siya nga, ang 1, i-times nato sa x minus 1 mo na value. Alright? If x is greater than 1, meaning mas dako sa 1 kilometer ang imuhang distance. So, kani siya mga piecewise functions, magamit nato ni for our jeep. Kani siya is for our tricycle. Alright? Now, what's next is we are going to apply these functions, no? Para makuha nato kung pila ba ang mabayad ni Miguel kung mag-jeep siya or mag-tricycle siya. Okay, so let us use the first function for our jeep. Kung mag-jeep si Miguel, no? F of x where x is equal to kani. Ano to? X is equal to 15. Ba? Kaya ng x equal to 15. X is equal to the number of kilometers man. So 15 kilometers pa niyang gi-travel. So X is equal to 15. Now let's use this function. Kani siya. No, para makita nato kung pila gyud ang iyang mabayad yung DL. So kung mag-jeep siya, it is F15. Remember, this is evaluating function. You're going to use the scaling evaluating function. So F15 is equal to 9 pesos plus 0.75 x. So x minus 4. Ato rin kang biyo ano mo ang x with 15. No? So that becomes 9 plus 0.75, 15 minus 4. So that becomes 9 plus 0.75 times 11. Okay? Now remember, multiply first before you add. That is 9 plus 8.25 pesos. 8 pesos and 25 centavos. Then 9 plus 8.25, that is 17.25 pesos. Okay? Therefore, kung mag-jeep si Miguel, makabayad siya og 7.25 pesos gikan sa iyang balay padulong sa iyang eskwelahan. Okay? Now, let us do another 4-hour tricycle. Pila ba yung mabayad kung mag-tricycle siya? So, let us apply it here. Asang pasulat na ito? Pati na ako dire. No, makita pa ba? So, tricycle. Tricycle siya. That is f of 15 is equal to, kanin mo no, itong function for tricycle. So, we have 10 plus 1 times x minus 1. Substitute 15 with your value of x. So 10 plus 1 times 15 minus 1. That becomes 10 plus 1 times 14. Then 10 plus 14. Lastly, he is going to pay 24 pesos if he's going to ride the tricycle. So as what you can see, no, mas mahal or mas dako ang value sa imong tricycle kaysa ka sa imong mag-jeep siya. So, nana sa inyo sa pag-answer sa next nga questions, no? Kay kamo man no, inyo man ang reasoning. It depends on you. There is no wrong or right answers as long as you can justify your answer. Nganong kana inyong gi-answer for the next questions. So, let's proceed directly to our example number 2 and 3.